Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of AI and exploring the revolutionary tools that are going to change the way you create. It's called Styler.ai, a image design and cartoon making tools, okay, and many more. Imagine being able to describe an image in just a few words and having an AI generate it for you. That's the magic of AI. You can type anything, a breathtaking landscape, futuristic city, even a cute cat wearing tiny hat. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a photo to cartoon of your picture or any kind of pictures, okay, like this. This tool is a dream come true for anyone who wants to create visual content. First of all, if you are a content creators like YouTubers, bloggers, social media managers, whip up eye-catching thumbnails and graphics in seconds. So I will show you the step-by-step tutorials where you can transfer and create your picture into a cartoon or any kind of format, and you can give a text command and it will generate your picture, okay. So it's incredibly user-friendly tools. It's called Styler.ai. First of all, you have to sign up with your Gmail address. So for that, click on start for free. So you can sign up with your Gmail account. Also you can use your email and password. All right, so I have already an account, so click on login and click on continue with Google account. So if you have multiple Gmail accounts login in your device, so choose an account which one you want to log in with. So let's click on that. Perfect. Right now I am Styler.ai dashboard, and still now it's a beta, but you can use as much as you can. So when you sign up with your account, you will see your under the account section, credits section, okay, and we have already 178 credits. So every free account you will get 200 credit. So it's really important for a project, so it will cut credit from here. So I had 200 credits and right now I have 178, and you can upgrade this account as well, okay. So here you can see the new project. So I'm going to create a new project and I will show you the step, and the below is style library. You can check this each and every section and you will see the lots of format and design as well. All right, so let's click on new project. So we can make a cartoon, so we can give as name cartoon. All right, and you can select the aspect ratio, which is really important for your platform. That's mean, so aspect ratio 1:1, it's for probably Instagram, and the 9:16 for mobile device already, and the rest of the aspect ratio from different social media platform, as you know, and also you can customize this, okay. So I am going to click on 9:6 and click on apply, and the left hand sidebar you will see the import images. So if you have any images, so you can import. So I will show you the import images, also text to image option, okay. So let's click on import images. So it's uploading, and here you can see this is my picture. All right, so let's drag and drop it, and right sidebar you will see the layer 1 already created, and this is my picture, and I'm going to select image to image, okay, and choose a style. So choose a style, that's mean I'm going to select any of them style if I want to apply this. So I am going to select this one, okay. So click on this. So this is the style, and if I have any prompt section that need to describe these images, if you don't want to write, so click on auto prompt and it will generate for you, and it will describe the images as well as, and just a minute, and already here you can see already created a man wearing a graduate cap and gown and standing next to a cartoon drawing of another man giving him the finger. All right, the man in the cap, and also etc, okay. So here you can see the structure match and the style intensity. Just click on stylizer, 18%, 27%, 35%, and it will show 4 results. Here you can see it's generating the pictures. Or here you can see the 4 results is over there, the first one and the second one and the third one and the fourth one. So which one is better? So I don't like these cartoons, but I'm going to change something, okay. So let's changing the some prompt here. So we will remove the last sentence, all right, and let's click on again, and again it will generate 4 results, that's mean 4 cartoons. Let's see how it's great and how it's look like. From 4 I don't like any of them. Alright, so let's see the first one. It's pretty cool. Okay, the second one and the third and the fourth one. So I think this one is good. If I want to download this, how I can? Just place on canvas and it will come up here. And if you want to change object, if you want to remove any object, you can do this. Also you can remove BG. Alright, so if you want to download this, just export, click on export PNG, upscale, select 2x, click on download. So it will download it in your device and you can check it out. Alright, so this is how you can generate your picture to cartoon. Very easy. So this is the final picture, and if you want to zoom it out, so looks how its resolution. It's amazing resolution, and it's full HD. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to click text to image. How we can generate text to image? So we have to select a style that we want to looks like. Alright, so if you want to innocent cutie, so just click on innocent cutie and you can just prompt here. Okay. Alright, so a cute dog wearing a teeny hat. This is our style and this is our prompt. Let's generate. So at a time it will generating 4 results, that's mean 4 pictures or 4 images for cartoon. Alright, so a cute dog wearing a teeny hat. Here you can see, fantastic. And the second one and the third one and the fourth one. So I think that this one is the best. Okay, so click on that, place one canvas and it will come up here. And just if you want to change anything, but I'm very happy to see this kind of images. I don't want to change this. Just going to export PNG 2x and just download it. Okay, and it's amazing. So this is how you can generate text to image as well, and also you can generate a cartoon from image to image. Already I showed you. Okay, so this is how you can use these tools. So let's open it, and this is the final results. Here you can see, it's amazing. So how clear it is, and the resolution is fantastic, full HD, over full HD, I think so. So if you are ready to unleash your inner artist and create something truly unique, then you can check it out. And it's a game changer and it's sure to spark your creativity. So let me know in the comments and amazing creations you came up with, and don't forget to like and subscribe and more awesome content. See you next time.